Hey kids, Mr. Glenn here. So, the last time that we spoke and I showed you what we were making was I was making this game and we just put our Pioneer ship in. And every time we try to shoot it now, there's nothing really happening. So, what I've done for you is a little bit of a thinking task. When we brought our enemy into the game here, our Pioneer, we've got no movement here. Our enemy isn't moving. We want our enemy to move by itself. So I wonder if there is something that we could do to fix this, because this is what is part of the game. So when we go to our sprites, okay, we can set our sprites to be all kinds of things. We can make them move anywhere we want. And because we can set them anywhere we want, these pioneer ships are actually projectiles. They are things that are shooting at us. So we're going to have to sort of make this sort of turn into a cannon, okay? Or we're going to take them out of the sea. So what we need to do is just pull this out. And we go to the sprites. We have to go and find one that is actually a projectile. So this one here, you can see that this drop-down menu could easily be my enemy, can be the pirate ship, and we can go and make it come from somewhere. But that's not exactly what we want. We don't want to be shooting our enemy out of us. We want it to be moving around, and we can make it move on its own. Look, so we can go and set my enemy to be a projectile, anything we want. And we can move it from side to side anywhere we want. We can move it around. I think this is going to suit us just fine, because remember, we can go and change this to be something else, and it might give us that black triangle in a second. So I'm going to go and change this to be my enemy. I'm going to go and change this to be my asset, like this. I'm going to get my Pioneer. I might need to go and change it and flip it over, actually. Let's go and see if I can flip it over. That's better. Go and click on the triangle at the top and you can flip it over, okay, like this. We want it facing us like that. And then what we want is we want this to go and move in a similar direction as before. We need to go change these numbers. Changing the numbers, because if we look at it now, the pirate ship, while it is coming at us, it's actually going in that strange sort of diagonal way again. We need to go and change that in a minute. There's lots of things we need to do with this. I'm going to go and let you go and change this and fix everything, and then come back to the next clip. All right, good luck, everyone.